Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about application of integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. So in this question we need to consider about this one. So we see that s is greater than or equals to number 1 and y between 1 over s squared and 1 over s. And now we need to graph about this one. So because s is greater than or equals to number 1, so we know that they should be on positive. So we have s equals to number 1. We need to put number 1 cone here. So about 1 over s where the graph should be like this. And the next one, 1 over s, the graph should be like this. So after we graph about this one, the intersection in here should be in number 1. Because if we put number 1 and number 1, then we will have about number 1. So I need to move a little bit in here. So this one we put about number 1. Now the question they want to find the volume result about this region in here. We need to know that this line they never intersect when they go to positive infinity. So I will put like this. And we know that this region they will rotate around s axis in here. So the formula of the volume that should be about b, and we have the integration from a to b. And now we have the upper function to the power of 2 minus the lower function to the power of 2. So in this situation, the integration in here should be about from number 1 to positive infinity. So the bound should be equal to number 1 to positive infinity. The upper function that is about this one, and we know that that is about 1 over s. And the lower function that is about 1 over s squared. So one over s squared, we have 1 over s squared. This one we have 1 over s to the power of 4. Next, this one we can put s to the power of negative number 2, and the second one s to the power of negative number 4. So now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have s to the power of negative number 2 plus 1 over negative number 2 plus 1. And the next one, negative number 4 plus 1 over negative number 4 plus 1. And we put the bounds from number 1 to positive infinity. So if we simplify, and we have 1 over s with the negative sign here. This one we have 1 over 3s to the power of 3. So now, about positive infinity, when s approaches to positive infinity, the upper bound of this one, we have number 0 because we have like this. When s approaches to positive infinity, numbers divided by positive infinity, you got number 0, similar for the second one. So we just have this one, and we put about negative sign here. So we calculate this one with the negative sign because this is about the lower bound. And we have 2b over 3. And we need to select 8. This is the end. Thank you for watching.